Prokaryotic cell. All bacteria represent prokaryotic cell, like Archaebacteria on the name of methanogens, halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and Eubacteria on the name of blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria, Rickettsia, Chlamydia, Actinomycetes, and Mycoplasma, etc. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Cell envelope made up of three layers. Small a, glycocalyx, outermost layer, two forms, that is slime layer and capsule. Slime layer, thin, loosely attached, sheath-like, prevents loss of water and nutrients. Capsule, thick, tightly attached, gives gummy or sticky nature, protects from antibiotics and host immune system. Slime layer made up of mucopolysaccharides, capsule made up of polysaccharide, protein and lipid. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Small b, cell wall. Below glycocalyx and above cell membrane. Middle layer of cell envelope provides shape. Made up of peptidoglycan, also called mucopeptide, also called murine, consists of N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmuranic acid, polysaccharide and protein. Absent in mycoplasma. In gram-positive bacteria, single layer cell wall. In gram-negative bacteria, two layered cell wall. Outer lipopolysaccharide, inner peptidoglycan. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Small c, cell membrane. Third, inner layer of cell envelope. Flexible, elastic, selectively permeable. Structurally and chemically similar to cell membrane of eukaryotic cell. Consists of hopanoids instead of cholesterol, which provides strength to the cell membrane. Cell membrane involved in respiration, lipid synthesis and formation of cell wall. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Number 2, mesosome. Balloon-like infold of cell membrane. Consists of tubules, lamella and vesicles. Increases surface area of cell membrane. Found in gram-positive bacteria. Involved in cell wall formation, DNA replication and distribution to daughter cells, respiration, ATP synthesis, secretion process, increase surface area of cell membrane and enzyme content. Number 3, chromatophore. Network-like membranous extension of cell membrane. Found in photosynthetic bacteria, contains pigment, for example, found in blue-green algae, purple and green bacteria. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Number 4, cytoplasm. Semi-fluid crystallocolloidal material, does not contain membrane-bound cell organelles, contain different compounds, stored food, that is inclusion bodies, 70S ribosomes. Number 5, genetic material. Naked circular double-stranded DNA, not associated with histone and non-histone chromosomal proteins, not present inside nucleus, suspended in cytoplasm, called nucleoid, prochromosome, xenophore. Only exons, introns are absent. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Plasmid, extragenetic or chromosomal or DNA material. Circular double-stranded, self-replicative, can be one or more in number, provides additional features or phenotypes to the bacteria. Types: sex, fertility, F plasmid, provides fertility or sexuality to the bacteria, helps in conjugation. F plasmid present, F positive, donor or male bacteria. F plasmid absent, F negative, recipient or female bacteria. F. plasmid helps in pili formation. Resistant or R. plasmid provides resistance against antibiotics, helps in capsule formation. Cholinogenic or col plasmid helps in tolerating attack of other bacteria growing in same culture medium. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Most common occurring bacteria, Bacillus type, rod shaped. Coccus bacteria, round or oval shaped. They are non-motile, non-flagellated. Ribosome, membraneless cell organelle made up of ribonucleoprotein structure, represent ribonucleoprotein structure, rRNA plus proteins. 70S type, large subunit 50S, small subunit 30S, 20 into 15 nanometer size, present freely in cytoplasm or attached with cell membrane, involved in translation, that is synthesis of proteins, polyribosome, polysome, ergosome, more than 1, 2 to 8 ribosomes attached simultaneously with single messenger RNA strand. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Inclusion bodies, non-living, dead, organic and inorganic, reserved or stored materials present in cytoplasm, not covered by any true membrane, present as granules. For example, Synophysian starch, also called alpha granule, lipid globules, also called beta granules, protein granule, phosphate reserve, also called volutin granule, sulfur granule, polyhydroxybutyrate PHB granule, carboxysome. These are covered by false unit protein membrane. Gas vacuole provide buoyancy. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Flagella, long filamentous unistrand, made of flagellin protein, provide motility, help in locomotion. Pili, long, hollow, broad, tubular, made of pilin protein, help in attachment of one bacterium with other bacterium during conjugation. Fimbriae, small, short, narrow, solid, bristle-like, attachment of bacterium over solid substratum and host cell or tissue. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Flagella, basal body, hook, filament. Basal body rod-like, present inside cell. Hook bend thickest part, filament longest thread-like. Hook and filament present outside the cell. Basal body, two parts, rod and rings. There are 4 rings, M ring, S ring, P ring and L ring. M and S rings present in cell membrane represent proximal rings. P and L rings present in cell wall represent distal rings. Gram staining technique developed by H.C. Gram. Take a slide, place bacterial smear or culture stained with crystal violet, that is Gram stain, an alkaline solution. Bacteria become bluish purple. Treated with 0.5% iodine solution, acts as mordant or fixture, form crystal violet iodine complex. Washed with dilute 90% alcohol or acetone. Bacteria retained Gram stain, that is bluish purple color, called Gram positive bacteria. Bacteria lose Gram stain, bluish purple color and become colorless, called Gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria, Gram negative bacteria. Bluish purple color, colorless. Single layered cell wall, 2 layered cell wall. Thick cell wall 20 to 80 nanometer, thin cell wall 8 to 12 nanometer. More peptidoglycan 70 to 80%, less peptidoglycan 10 to 20%, less lipid content, more lipid content, smooth cell wall, wavy cell wall, teichoic acid present, teichoic acid absent, lysozyme treatment, protoplast left, lysozyme treatment is ferroplast left. Few gram positive bacteria are pathogenic, more gram negative bacteria are pathogenic. Types of bacterial cells based on shape. Coccus plural cocci, spherical oval shape. Monococcus single, Diplococcus 2, Streptococcus chain, Staphylococcus irregular grape-like, Sarcina 3-dimension cubicle-like. Bacillus plural bacilli, cylindrical rod shape. Spirillum, spiral coil or screw shape. Vibrio, comma shape या curve. Types of bacteria based on flagellation. Atrichus, flagella absent. Monotrichus, single flagellum at one end. Amphitrichus, single flagellum at both ends. Lopotrichus, group of flagella at one end. Cephalotrichus, group of flagella at both ends. Peritrichus, flagella present all over the surface.